Hi friends, in a new episode. Today is free day and I decided to walk around. On the way I saw that this man is making kind of pancakes with something tasty inside. So I ordered chicken, but he probably understood me wrong, so it was not tasty. Then on my route there was a temple, so I decided to see what the temple about. On the pictures in Google it looked beautiful, and actually it is beautiful. This building, this part, actually looks pretty old. I see the paintings on the wall, they look old. Really beautiful combination of sky, clouds, and golden temple. Let's go under, below the temple. First of all, God Ganesh shrine is waterfall. It's probably a coffin of with the remains of some saint person, probably priest. And these are not alive people. These are like a dolls or statues, but they look scary actually. Buddha's okay, but the teachers, they look like ghosts or dead corpse. And this one is looking beautiful, but it's not ready inside. I always love to see fish in the pond. Every time I think they live and nobody catches them. They're probably very tasty for lunch. Next time for sure I'm going to come here just to chill out. Very beautiful. Looks like children kindergarten. Different colors. I like it. Lantern. Really pink color, looks like it is for kids to play. But no, it's a shrine actually. So here people give donation. So I find out later, and I know that donation is good. If you give 10% every time from your income, every book says you will get more. So I decided to try. Now I want to go inside of this main building, main temple. It looks like a castle in fairy tale, golden, red carpet. Very quiet ambience. Really, I decided to sit down and to pray a little. And actually, I did it. And there was some guy, old guy, and he told me to repeat after him some pray. And I don't know Thai, but still I repeated. Probably wrong, but he didn't laugh, so I prayed. So different parts of the temple dedicated to different gods, and this part is dedicated to some goddess, woman. I don't know, I don't ask names. Probably she's the goddess of water. Okay, I decided to go to another temple, and on the way I walked along the street where normal Thais live. This is a shortcut. Probably in the evening it looks scary. Quite okay atmosphere. I don't say I would like to live there, but it's pretty comfortable, like a home. What is your name? Kind of depressing building, and the canal is super dirty. And this storage of, it's not a garbage, it's a shrine. Okay, this tall building is a society where normal people live, but no, I mean normal people probably who work here. It is Ministry of Commerce. Interesting, in a normal days, a lot of people here or same, nobody. Actually, in Nonthaburi, I noticed that on the streets there are no people. And this is the park behind Ministry of Commerce. It has very beautiful view of river, Chayo Prayo river. And actually I hope to catch a boat to go to the island. If you cross this river, there is the island with some temples. Yeah, very beautiful. But how to reach? Let me read what it says, schedule. And the schedule said in Google that next boat will be just next morning at 6 a.m. So probably I don't have a chance to go there. People fishing. Actually, this place is haunted probably because it's a shrine of two ladies, and people bring clothes so that ghosts don't bother them. Okay, now the industry area. Nonthaburi is everywhere, like industry. Traffic is not very heavy. It looks like hypnosis. And this is the school on Raja Prasid. Very big school. Huge school with 4,000 students from different ages. And this is area around the school. And these people I know, I hang out with them once. No people this time on the streets, not many. I'm thirsty. I bought mint milk, 20 baht. I don't know why I like the Lotus Tesco logo. People making food, barbecue, ladies on motorbike. Here you can eat rice and chicken. Lotus Tesco again. Pretty clean roads, I would say. Everything nearby. Shops. Not much for entertainment, of course, but it's bearable. durian, famous fruit, you can buy for 140 baht. It's around $5. Quite expensive. Mini Big C. Also, I like the logo of Mini Big C. Eggs and onion prices. Barbecue you can buy here. I don't know why this house I like. And here, night market, evening market, you can buy different Thai foods, fruits. And this is the Ministry of Lottery. I didn't know such ministry can exist. Government lottery building. So they print out lotteries. It's funny that the government deal with the lottery. Basically, they sell what? They sell air, empty air. Even without buying in the market, it feels very comforting, relaxing for the mind to walk around market. Different smell, colors, people walking around. Okay, I'm going to home, to the place where I rent a room. I showed in last video. Okay, see you in the next episode.